Bet I make you feel some type of way, when I give it to you night and day.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel for part 2 of Girl Talk. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you're not, welcome back. Today we're going to be getting into skincare tips and secrets, also DIY skin masks. So you guys stay tuned and I will see you in a moment. Peace. Alright, so I have even made like a facial mask. I'll leave it on for about 20 minutes using coconut oil, which is a natural moisturizer, honey, which is a skin tightener, and also aloe vera. I actually have an aloe vera plant that I currently have that I will cut, and I will mix it up into some type of bottle with different types of ingredients to kind of help with things. The aloe vera, it helps with skin toning and anti-aging, acne treatment. It fights, if you get an insect bite, that plant is a magical plant. Like you saw my last video, that's what I made. That's what was in that bottle. It will leave your skin looking so flawless, glowing, and soft. But it is a great mask to just leave on your face, go do about your daily night routine, and then come back and clean that off. Honey, true tea, I'm telling you, your skin will thank you for it. Like if you are if you have dry skin, that concoction that I just told you is going to help with your dry skin. All right, so while we were talking about also facial masks, like I told you guys, I am totally for natural products. I love natural products, and so I definitely will do a lot of research, and I will try to go out and just make my own natural products if I can. So what another concoction or another facial mask that I like to do, I like to mix coffee grounds, sugar, and honey together. I know you guys are like, what the hell? Why would you be doing all that? First of all, it's a really good exfoliator. It's a moisturizer and a skin tightener. Since I'm getting up in age, y'all, I'm all about trying to find something that's gonna tighten the skin, girl, so I can look young forever. You know what I'm saying? Just like so yeah, so let me give you guys some fun facts on that. I have everything written down in my handy dandy phone right now, so I'm going to give you all the information. So sugar, it helps to exfoliate, like I just said, which improves circulation and tightens the skin. So that's why I add sugar in this. Before I get into that, so yes, this is what I've made. I made a new one up on yesterday. I love to put, when I run out, I'll put it into these little containers, whatever, and I'll put a date on it because I can only keep it for about a month. After a month, if I haven't used it, then I throw it away. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. This is what it looks like. This is what I use on my face as another facial mask, whatever. Smells so good. It smells just like coffee, because it is. So coffee is caffeine is a diuretic which tightens skin, coffee grounds smooth and brightens skin. So if you want a glowy skin the next day, if you're not going to be wearing any makeup, I'm telling you, sis, it's bomb. Also honey, the last product is honey. Honey contains antioxidants, good for aging skin, and it's an antibacterial and moisturizer. So I love putting this on. This, I'm telling you, my skin looks beautiful like for a few days after applying this. It's glowing, it's soft, it's radiant. It's just really just bomb.com. So I love making this concoction up. I really do. All right, and so then for my next product, it is my brown sugar lip scrub. So let me open this up for you guys. This is what it looks like. I don't know, hopefully you guys can see this. It's so dark in here. Well, not dark, but light is so bright. So this is my little lip scrub that I made. It really helps to exfoliate dead cells and will leave your lips smooth and soft. Also, if you are a smoker, it will also help with lightening your lips. So, you can kind of get rid of the darkness on your lips or whatever. So it really does help with that. So what I put into this was sugar, honey, and coconut oil. And I just put it together, put it into this little jar, and it's really does assist with helping with dark lips, just exfoliating, making your lips soft and smooth. So when you want to get the smooches to your boo, You know, he'll feel like he's kissing the cloud. I'm telling you, girl, this is good stuff. Good tea right here. I love this stuff. I use it. I don't use this every day, but you know, for the most part, I try to. Yeah. All right. So then, for my next product that I have made, this is a this is basically a spray with vitamin E oil, lemon juice, and a little bit of water and coconut oil. So if I'm not wearing makeup, I will spray this on my face and it will have my skin looking very dewy and glowy, and it looks in very soft and smooth. I'm all for this, guys. Like this is probably like my favorite concoction yet that I have made. So yeah, so I definitely will spray this on a couple of times, probably like 2-3 times throughout the day to refresh my skin, to hydrate it, to have it glow and all that good stuff. I will definitely use this 3-4 times a day. I've actually used it. I mean, when I make this concoction, I think I made this one about 2 days ago, and I'll just put a little spritz on, girl, and leave out the house and be looking like, oh, now, girl, you look like you glowing there. Yeah, that's right, I am glowing. All right, so I know for a lot of people who just don't feel like, you know, taking the time out to do research and going out buying all this stuff and making your own concoction. So I also will sometimes, if I don't feel like, or if I don't have anything made, I will go ahead and I will use, this is my favorite cleaner by Aveeno. It's the Positively Radiant Skin Brightening Daily Scrub. Gently removes impurities for softer, brighter, more even skin tone. I really do love this stuff. I will use it if I don't have any of my other masks or anything like that, or if I just don't feel like doing all that. I just want to hurry up and just get this in, because a lot of my things that I've made, it just only like, you have to keep it on your face for probably about like 20-30 minutes, or however long you want to keep it on your face. With this, I just put it on and wash my face and keep it moving. So if it's one of those types of nights that I really just don't feel like doing anything else but just getting stuff off my face, I will just go ahead and use those. You know what I'm saying? All right, so for my next product, it is trying to get your eyelashes to grow back and eyebrows, to have thicker eyebrows. Now for me, I wear eyelashes, so it has, before I knew how to properly put my eyelashes on, yes, I just figured that out probably a few months ago, how to properly put my eyelashes on. But anyway, so another thing that I like to do is I like to take a spoolie, some Vaseline, cocoa butter, Vaseline, petroleum jelly, and I'll also put a little vitamin E, swirl this around the vitamin E, and then dip it into this, and I'll just do this with my eyebrows. And it actually does help with growth, and to kind of like restore your bald brows. I'm telling you, or your bald eyelashes. Excuse me, I keep calling them brows. Your bald eyelashes, and also helps to thicken your eyebrows as well. So this is also a great concoction that I've also like to do as well at nighttime. I do all of these great things. All right, guys, so that is all that I think that I have for you today. So yeah, I typically like to keep everything into my little handy dandy beauty box here, and I just go to town all day, every day, all along. You know what I'm saying? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button for more content, and let me know what you guys think about this video. I can do more. I have so many great products, or DIY products that I love to make. I can actually do some DIY products for you guys to show you how to make some great skincare products. These are some really great tips for you guys. If you don't want to use harsh chemicals, because a lot of the products we buy, we don't really know what's inside of those. We don't really take the time to research those. So why not use a natural product to get the same thing that you're using when you use the other mess. I mean, I'm not fronting on the other mess, because sometimes I use it. Like I said, I use the Aveeno. No problem. Probably use it tonight. Come that. So yeah, so just remember, if you guys do decide to make this product, remember to put a date on it. These products can only last you for about a good 30 days. After 30 days, you just need to go ahead and wash out your container and throw it out, because it's no longer good or whatever. Alright guys, so that's it. That's all I have for you today. This was like super fun doing this video. Remember to hit that like and subscribe button down below. You know what I'm saying? And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.